the Minister for Health and Medical Services, Honorable Ratu, representatives of government, Your Excellencies, members of the diplomatic corps, partners in health, former Ministry of Health staff members and retirees, Board of Visitors and staff of CWM Hospital, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Miusambulare, and a good evening and welcome to the State House. Today, it is a privilege and an honor to host you all on the centennial anniversary celebration of Fiji's flagship hospital, the Colonial War Memorial Hospital, or commonly known to us as the CWM Hospital. On behalf of government and citizens of Fiji, I convey a collective acknowledgement and appreciation for your commitment and contributions during your service and your passion and goodwill for CWM Hospital. CWM Hospital is not the oldest health facility in Fiji, but it stands to remind us of the sacrifice, the dedication and collaborative commitment of all stakeholders for the good of our people. Tonight, we thank you all, those health staff members who have worked tirelessly at CWM Hospital in serving the people, healing the sick, delivering the newborns, and saving lives. We welcome the retirees who have served at CWM Hospital. For all that you have done for CWM Hospital and most importantly for the people of this nation. We are really glad, actually I am really glad. I haven't seen this State House to be this lot of this full, and it's so colorful today. Just to have all the people here today from CWM. And we are glad to see you, and I'm pleased that you have honored and accepted my invitation to be here tonight. I am aware that the retirees of all cadres are present here tonight, from doctors, nurses, allied staff, corporate staff, members and support service staff. We might have not acknowledged you enough during your tenure at CWM Hospital, and I take this opportunity to thank you on behalf of the government and the people of Fiji. You have brought joy to many people, families, and smiles to those who are sick, and comfort to those who had lost their loved ones. You have also paved the way for the many trainees and health professionals in Fiji and the Pacific region, including international students who have come through our very own CWM Hospital. Your service to humanity is a divine calling from God. Next Friday, we will celebrate the centennial milestone of a hospital that was built to remember the sacrifice of the 123 Fijians who gave their life for world peace so that we may live freely on this land. CWM has come a long way, and it is evident to us all. Nevertheless, have a commitment to make a difference in any way possible for the renovation works and improvements at the CWM Hospital. To our donors and partners in health, CWM Hospital is a reminder to us of your support to Fiji. From the initial donation of £12,000 by the then Legislative Council member, the late Mr. Henry Marks, to support of the British government in the construction of the Colonial War Memorial Hospital in 1923, which replaces the Colonial Hospital that was first built in Lebuka and relocated to Walubei in 1894. CWM is still serving its purpose that it was built on, and we will honor our partnership and your great support. We are grateful to the Japanese government that later built a new extension in 1993 and the current Children's Hospital in the year 2000, together with the commitment of the Fiji government in the maternity wing and the Makoi birthing unit. On the same note, we equally appreciate the New Zealand government that assisted through the Fred Hollows Foundation that built the Pacific Eye Institute. This does not mean that we have forgotten other donors and partners who have helped in providing the hospital with modern equipment and necessary upgrading, refurbishment, and ongoing maintenance to what CWM Hospital is today. The oldest teaching hospital for Fiji and the Pacific region. Your commitment, compassion, and love have helped CWM Hospital in the 100 years of its existence. I particularly thank the Hospital Board of Visitors for their hard work in collaborating works and improvements for the hospital. They have assisted Ministry in reviving the Board of Visitors in other health facilities and assisted the organization for the centennial celebrations and event. To the current staff members and heads of department, I thank you on behalf of government for ensuring that the hospital continues to deliver the services according to the strategic and operation plans of government and the ministry to achieve the planned targets and deliverables. Do keep up the good work and continue to strive for excellence in healthcare for Fiji and the Pacific region. I would also like to thank those former staff of CWM Hospital that are now serving with private hospitals in Fiji and those serving in hospitals abroad for their service to our beloved nation. We believe that you take with you the knowledge and experience that you have learned from CWM Hospital and that you will continue to soar in greater heights. Ladies and gentlemen, I believe most of you shall be meeting your colleagues after a long time, so please do enjoy the evening. And may this day remind us of a true meaning of Christmas as we strive forward to another chapter of our Colonial War Memorial Hospital and health services in Fiji. I take this time on behalf of my family, the Office of President, and all the citizens of Fiji to wish you, your families, a blessed Christmas and a prosperous New Year. May God bless us all and continue to bless our beloved nation. Maivalili.